All right, so here's your warm-up for the day. Have you ever been in Starbucks and someone in front of you makes a crazy order? I heard a lady order a venti iced caramel macchiato with quad shots of espresso. What in the world does quad mean? How would you order the same drink but with 2 shots of espresso? How about 3 shots? So go ahead and press pause, write your answer down in your notebook, and then we'll go over it. All right, so the word quad means 4 times that amount. And if you wanted to write 2, you could say double. And about 3, you could say triple. So anytime you see the word double, it means 2 times. Triple means 3 times. Quad means 4 times. All right, so the exit ticket, go ahead and click on that video to watch the exit ticket review. Here is your target for today. Today I can translate between verbal expressions and equations and their corresponding algebraic expressions and equations by scoring at least 4 out of 5 points on my exit ticket. All right, so today we're going to be doing a translating QR code activity and a Desmos card sort. But before you get started on that, I want to go over a topic with you. So I want to talk about when you see less than. So this is different than seeing the word is less than. If you see the word is less than, that's an inequality. That's when you're going to have an actual less than symbol. This is not. This means to subtract. And we're going to sort of talk about that. So here's an example. If I say 3 less than twice a number is 8. So if I'm going to translate this problem right here, it says 3 less than twice the number is 8. So I know it equals 8. 3 less than something, twice the number. So twice the number is 2x or 2n or whatever you want. And we want 3 less than that. So let's think back to something else. Let's think back to like real life situations. So let me do this one first. So this would be 2x and I want 3 less than. So I'm going to subtract 3. So I'm going to go and hopefully kind of explain this to you where it makes sense. So if I say, I am ten years less than Mr. Smith. If you want to find out my age and you know that I am 10 years less than Mr. Smith, the first thing you would need to find out is you would need to go, okay, well, Miss Crew, how old's Mr. Smith? Right? So you would take his age and then you're going to subtract 10 because I'm 10 years less than him. So you would take him and subtract 10, right? Okay, so same sort of scenario. What if I said, okay, I'm going to erase this for a second. If I said, okay, can you guys tell me how much you weigh? And one of my students says, oh, Mrs. Crew, I weigh 15 less than my brother. And for me to figure out how much that student weighs, what I would want to do is take his brother's weight and take away 15. 15 less than, right? So you take the brother's weight minus 15, and that would tell me my student's weight. So hopefully that sort of puts this into better perspective. Sometimes when we put actual like scenarios to it, it helps a little more than if we're just converting or translating an actual verbal statement into a math problem. So sort of think about real life stuff. I am 2 years less than my sister. Things like that. That means you would take this part, it has to go first, just like brother's weight, and then this part actually is subtracted away.